Hi there. This video is to demonstrate how to put shortcuts on your taskbar. So over here I have two browsers and Outlook. So I want to put them down here on my bottom taskbar. All I have to do is take my left mouse button, click it, drag down to the taskbar, and let go of my left mouse button. That's dropping it. And it will show up on your taskbar. So you can do the same for any shortcut that you want down there. And what is nice about that is if you want to open another window, you can have the window open and you can still have easy access to open any of these icons on top of this window. So that's what makes that very nice. Now say for instance you decide that for some reason you're not using one of these taskbars and it's getting kind of cluttered down there and you want to get rid of one of them or all of them. All you would do is click with your right mouse button. So right click and then click on Unpin from Taskbar. And it gets rid of each one of those icons on your taskbar. So I hope this was a helpful video for you, and have a great day and keep watching my channel for more videos.